Tan'eem. It is the place where people, whilst staying in Makkah, go in order to put on ihram for Umrah. It lies at about 7 kilometers from Masjidul Haram towards Medina. Masjid Aisha has been built here. People refer to this place as a small Umrah. Number 46, Ji'rana. It is situated about 26 kilometers from Makkah on the way on Taif. This is another place where people, whilst staying in Makkah, go in order to put on ihram for Umrah. People refer to this place a big Umrah. 47, Haram. Haram refers to the area around Makkah, whose limits have spread out up to several miles. This land is called Haram because of its sacredness. Its limits are marked in all directions. It is haram, unlawful for any person, whether Haji or not, to hunt in its jungle and to cut its naturally growing trees and live grass. The people who dwell within the limits of Haram are called Harami or Ahle Haram. 48. Hill. This is the area beyond the limits of Haram, but within the limits of Miqat. Certain acts which are haram within Haram are halal here. The people who live in this area are called Hilli. 49. Mina. A valley about 5 kilometers away from Masjidul Haram where the Hajis stay. Mina lies within Haram. Number 50. Jamarat. The three places in Mina where stones are hurled at Shaitan. The first one is called Jamaratul Ukhra or Jamaratul Aqabah. It is also called the Big Shaitan. The second one is called Jamaratul Wusta, the Medium Shaitan. And the third one is called Jamaratul Ula, the Little Shaitan. 51. Arafat. About 11 kilometers from Mina lies the plain of Arafat, where all Hajis gather on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. Arafat is situated outside the Haram. 52. Jabalur Rahmah, the sacred mountain in Arafat, near which wukuf, ritual stay, is preferable. Number 53. Muzdalifah. The plains about 5 kilometers away from Mina towards Arafat. To spend night here on return from Arafat is sunnah, and to stay here for at least a moment between Subh Sadiq and sunrise is wajib. 54. Muhassir. Adjacent to Muzdalifah is a plain called Muhassir, where divine retribution was inflicted upon Ashabul Fil. If one has to pass through this plain, it is sunnah to cross it quickly. Number 55. Batne Urana. A jungle near Arafat where wukuf for Hajj is invalid. Number 56. Mad'a. An area in between Masjidul Haram and Jannatul Ma'ala, the graveyard of Makkatul Mukarramah, where it is mustahab to make dua.